Hello guys, this is the continuation of our HTML5 series. Hope you are enjoying this series. If you have missed out any of the tutorial, you can always get back to the tutorials. So in this tutorial, we will learn about HTML5 audio tag. As we have described in the previous tutorial, audio was played using a plugin in all of the browsers, but HTML5 has provided a standard for playing audio files. Supported audio files are MP3, WAV, and so on. You need to consider that not all of the browser supports the HTML5 tag, in particular Internet Explorer 8 and prior versions of it. So our aim here is to play an audio file using HTML5 audio element. So here is the code. Here we are using the audio tag. Inside the audio tag we are providing the source file. In our case the source file is music.mp3. The path to the file is relative. You can always use absolute path if you need. In case the browser doesn't support HTML5 element, we are showing an error message that your browser does not support the audio element and end the audio tag. We also end the body and HTML tag. So that's it. Now we need to preview this script in our HTML5 compliant browser. If the browser does not support the audio tag, an error message will be shown. So let's see the preview. Here, this is the output when we show the file in the browser. So when you hit the play button, the music file will be played. So hear it. So we can play and pause, and all of the majestic control is shown here without little or no coding. So that is the magic of HTML5. So thanks for joining with us in this tutorial. Thank you.